Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Broadlink RM Mini free Broadlink and I'm going to tell you how you can easily install this app for your Android phone and how you can easily pair your device with this application. And first we have to enter Play Store and here we have to enter search. In the search bar we have to search for Broadlink. Here as you can see we have Broadlink and we have to click install. The installation length is just judged by your internet connection. Now we have to click open and now we have some introducement. We can skip it and tap try now. Here we have to tap the region that is ours. OK, accept, and now we have to sign up to our account. We have to scroll all the way down. I have read and accepted terms. We have to click on it and check it, but I can't really tap it. And here continue. Now we have to enter our email, which will be this one. It's yours email. You have to enter here your email. And now we have to autofill our code. So at the moment I have to do so. Here now we have to enter our password. So let me do so. Now our inserting our password, we can actually go and link our account with the Google or Apple. I will link it to Google just in case if I forget my password. Now as you can see we have our account linked and let's go to next. Here we can set our home location where our device will be. So let me select United States. United States. For example, Georgia. Here. I have no idea where that is, but who cares? Here we have to click start to use and allow for notifications. Now we have to click add device. Here I have read and accepted the terms. Continue. Here we have to grant the location permission while using the app. OK. Allow for Bluetooth and thermal nearby devices. And now as you can see here we have the add a device, add a Wi-Fi device, hub sensor, etc. Smart devices, add virtual devices, virtual button for automation of devices from Broadlink or brands, or NFC devices. We have to tap smart devices. Here start adding, and here we have the virtual button. We have to tap on it, and where's the device? Kitchen, for example. Next, name your device. Virtual button save. Before, of course, the process, we have to plug this virtual button into the charging port, charger, as you can, just charger, with, as you can see, this cable that comes with the device, micro USB. Here we can use the device now, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.